Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Restart your Ps5 and update system software if prompted, because stale firmware can mishandle DNS. Once done, check your router and another device to prove the internet works. This isolates the console. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi name, password, and router admin login ready. This saves time when changing settings. Now, enter Settings, right arrow Network, right arrow Set up Internet Connection to begin reconfiguring DNS, so you control how the Ps5 resolves addresses. You now adjust the DNS, choose your connection, pick custom, and keep IP settings automatic unless you need a static address. Next, set DNS to known public servers, for example, Google 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or Cloudflare 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 because they bypass flaky ISP resolvers. Save the configuration and run test internet connection. If the Ps5 shows error codes, write them down. They guide the next diagnostic steps and tell you whether DNS changes took effect. Finish by power cycling everything. Reboot the router, release and renew its DHCP lease if available, then fully power off and restart your Ps5. This ensures the new DNS propagates. If wireless remains unstable, plug in an Ethernet cable to rule out Wi-Fi interference and check MTU or NAT type if downloads stall. Make sure to test after each change so you know what fixed it. If problems persist, reset network settings on the Ps5 and try a different public DNS pair as a last troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.